Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an exciting review of the DJI NEO. DJI NEO is DJI's latest technological advancement in drones. If you are a drone enthusiast or you are new to droning, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the unboxing. The DJI NEO comes in a sleek package. Inside you will find the drone itself, some extra propellers, necessary cables and batteries. Also, if you had requested or ordered the remote control, it will come in it too. Now let's talk about the design. Very lightweight, less than 250 grams, very well protected, very compact. The finish is so perfect to the point where it reduces glare during flight. And also it is, because of the size and the weight, it is very convenient for travel. So it doesn't matter what kind of equipment you want to use, is that a little bag or if you have a jacket pocket or something like that, you can actually travel around with this drone. So for design purposes, I think it is just super wonderful. Now is a good time to subscribe, share and comment on this video. But what about the features? The DJI NEO boasts a stunning 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage. It also includes intelligent shooting modes like active track as seen in this video, quick shots, and a new feature called hyperlapse. The battery life is impressive too, offering around 30 minutes of flight. Just wonderful. During my flight test, the NEO performed exceptionally well, and the drone handles wind like a champ. The obstacle avoidance system is a game changer, making it safer for beginners. Let's not forget about the app. It's user-friendly and packed with features. You can access live footage, adjust settings, and even edit your video right from your phone. The connectivity is seamless with a range of up to about 10 kilometers. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. Pros: excellent camera quality, very user-friendly control, compact, portable, design is just so sleek, so wonderful, and it has an impressive battery life as well. For con, I think that the price point might be a little bit high for beginners. You know, most people who want to start flying, they may want something for 20-30 bucks. Even though with what this drone comes with, it is quite wonderful for that price, but for beginners it might just be a little bit much. And also the learning curve for advanced features is a little bit steep for beginners. So I think that's just the cons that I think of at this time. But on the overall, I think it's an excellent drone for beginners as well as for those who have been flying for a while. It just depends on whether you can afford it or not. So my friends, is the DJI NEO drone worth the investment? I would say that if you're serious about aerial photography or videography in general, I would say yes. It's packed with features that cater for both newbies and seasoned pilots. I strongly believe you cannot go wrong by buying this drone. So at this point in time, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this wonderful piece of equipment right here, this aircraft. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.